Hello everybody. Now I want to present my research with title Performance Analysis of Air Conditioning System using Freon R22 and Musicool MC22 based on speed of variation of air conditioning condenser. And now I would like to introduce our team in this research. The captain of this research or the leader is John Awabang, and the first member is Mr. Edwin Perehatu, and the last one is Mr. Jufra Abanat. All of we are from Mechanical Engineering, State Polytechnic of Kupang. Introduction. Air conditioning system is a cooling system whose function is to condition the air according to the desired needs. Air conditioning can be done in workspace, foodstuff, or industrial products that are desirable in accordance with the needs. The problems faced so far are the amount or weight of the refrigerant or cooling materials and the rotational speed of condenser fan to the cooling capacity of the cooling system. In this research, we use two kinds of refrigerant. They are R22 and the one is hydrocarbon refrigerant or Musicool. The purpose of using these two refrigerants is to find out the performance of air conditioning system by using both of two refrigerants. With variation, we will know variation of the rotation of the speed. We will know how is the performance of IC system. The method used in this research is experimental method. Now this is the experimental setup. Clamp ampere is to know how current consumed in this research. Weight is to know how much refrigerant used, and the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. This is the R22 and Musicool or MC22, and humidity tools. It's for use the humidity of the air in this room, and manifold gauge is to know how pressure when system is work, and vacuum pump to vacuum system. After we vacuum, we charging system to know performance of this AC system. Step implementation research as follow. At first, prepare equipment such as AC split 1 unit, clamp ampere to know consumption of ampere, rotary control to control the speed of fan condenser, tachometer to know RPM of the condenser, etc. We need vacuum system, we need charging of refrigerant, R22 and MC22 system, check for system leaks, testing the system with variation in the condenser fan speed, and collecting and analysis data. And this is the specification of the IC that used in this refrigerant. In this research, the mass of refrigerant is 560 gram. Electric current consumed maximum is 1.5 ampere. Cooling capacity is 1.5 kilowatt. Maximum discharge pressure 2.8 megapascal. Maximum suction pressure 0.8 megapascal. Based on the planned system design and research flow, the tests are carried out and results obtained are presented in following table 1 and table 2. This is table 1 is data that got for refrigerant R22. This is the result, and then table 2 is data for refrigerant or hydrocarbon, or the other names is refrigerant R160, 190, sorry, 190. We look close of the result. When the RPM is 750, the same speed of fan, we get different pressure. Is at the refrigerant R22 we get 91 psi, and the last one is 90. As the same, the current consumption in R22 is 2.2, and the hydrocarbon is 2.0. The next is I put the result on the previous table. I put in the chart in the graphic, like this graphic below. The left graphic is shown the relationship between RPM, pressure, current for R22 refrigerant, and the right hand is for R290. And we compare the COP, coefficient of performance, for R22 and R190. We get the different COP if it's actual or Carnot is different, like this. And the refrigerant efficiency also different. Refrigerant efficiency for R22 is more high than refrigerant 290, and cooling capacity is the same. The conclusion, the variation of the condenser fan rotation affect the rate of temperature change for both the condenser and the evaporator, both for refrigerant R22 and R290, which at R22 the temperature decrease from 17.7 Celsius degree to 16.7 Celsius degree, from 200 RPM to 750 RPM, whereas at R290 the temperature decreased from 18.3 Celsius degree to 17.1 Celsius degree, from 200 RPM to 750 RPM. The next conclusion is the variation of the condenser fan rotation also affect to the rate of pressure change and consumption of electric current for refrigerant material R22 and R290, where at R22 the pressure change from 100 psi to 91 psi, and the current consumption from 2.9 to 2.2 ampere, whereas in hydrocarbon or R290 the pressure change from 95 psi to 90 psi, and the electric current consumption from 2.1 ampere to 2.0 ampere. This is only the result of our research. Thanks for watching.